This really isn't good. The fog is coming in really badly right now, like. Quite cinematic though. I think I'm in a horror movie. Especially with like the woods over there and it's like, ooh, a bit creepy. So yeah, let's go on with the video. And quickly before that fog comes in. But basically, this video is what I wanted to show you is why you should shoot Cinestyle. This is going to be part 1 on shooting in it and like what it looks like. And then part 2 is going to be, whilst I'm editing it, I use Premiere to edit, so that's what I'll be color grading in and stuff like that. But Cinestyle, I think, is only for Canon cameras. So what I did the other day, I installed Cinestyle I plugged my camera into my PC, installed EOS utility, I think it is. And that means I installed Cinestyle, and that means I can control my camera and what it does, and I can shoot in RAW. It's not full RAW, but it's like a flat color, so I'm currently still in the standard form, as I think it gets skin tones nicer, because Canon Color Science is still really good for skin tones. And if you don't have time, use Canon Color Science because it's so good. But if you want the cinematic footage to look even better, use Cinestyle. You have way more control over your shots. Like, you can make the blue over there bluer. You can make the green down there greener. Well, that's more brown. The green over there greener. So it's just better. So let's switch to Cinestyle. So this is Cinestyle as it is out of the box, no editing at all. You can see it's much flatter in the picture. You can see like over there it's not blue or anything. I will add a grade in a second, I'll tell you when, and you'll notice a difference. But I have Peter McKinnon's LUTs. If you don't know who Peter McKinnon is, go check him out, he's amazing. I've learned so much from him. But go check him out, and I brought his LUTs from his from his shop, and they're amazing. They're just much quicker to colour grade than actual colour grading if you don't have time to do that, and I can feel the rain, that's not good. So what are we going to say something? Yeah, so if you don't have time to colour grade, buy some LUTs. They're pretty cheap, because so many people sell them, and it's worth it. Also, if you want, go get some LUTs. No, I don't have any LUTs, I use other people's. I'd love to try and make some, but I'm not sure how. There's probably a video out there, go find that if you want to make your own LUT. But colour grading is what we'll be doing in the next video. But this is the flat of the Cinestyle footage. This is what it looks like, and then this is, why did I do that? But this is what it looks like with a colour grade on it. And so whilst I was talking about the LUT, then I'll show you what I added for Peter McKinnon's LUTs, and I'll put which ones I use now in text below, and I'll leave a description to Peter's channel in the link. I'll leave a link to Peter's channel in the description. I'm so confusing myself right now. And there's more and more rain. This is not good. Let's face this way because the rain's coming from there. And now it's blowing my hair. Now the problems. Make sure you check where you're going, and the wind's coming in. This microphone is not good with wind. If you think about getting the Rode Video Mic Go, don't get the Video Mic Pro. The Video Micro is so much better in wind. So it's also cheaper, weirdly. So go get that. This is going to be some footage of my bike, which is really sad, but it's quite easy to do and simple, and that's all I need to show you the difference. So here's B-roll, and I'll show you it in standard, show you standard with a colour grade, then I'll show you Cinestyle, like without anything, then Cinestyle with the grade, and you can see what you want to do with it. If you want to install Cinestyle, go check out Tech Gear Talk, and that's how I found out about Cinestyle. And he's got a video explaining how to download it on Canon cameras, so I'll link to that down below. Check the description. I just got home, but before I go, this guy's got something to say to you. Before you go, check out the narrator. I've been friends with him for ages, and he's just started this new YouTube channel where he does gaming videos of games like the Sea of Thieves and Rust. So go check him out, he's new, so yeah, link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, goodbye.